Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Infinix Note 12. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store. Inside we'll need to find Firefox. Then select this app and click on the install. When it's ready, hit the open. Then we can customize the browser with different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between privacy protection settings, and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on start browsing. From here, you can open any website, and as you can see, this browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.